Good afternoon, students. Our today's activity is identification of letters. Okay, you have to identify letters and put the letter on the letter board. Okay, got it? Rihanna, your turn. Identify letter N. Where is letter N? Okay, put on the letter board. Where is N? N. Where is N? Okay, very good. Clapping. Clapping for Rihanna. Ishani, now your turn. Identify the letter R. Where is letter R? Okay, put on the letter board. R. Okay, very good. Clapping for Ishani. Very good. Gulshan, identify the letter P. Where is letter P? Look here. Where is letter? Okay, very good. Put on letter board. Where is P? P. Okay, very good. Clapping for Gulshan. Very good.